Want to increase sales and improve navigation? Let's quickly set up categories in Magento 2. Go to Catalog and click Categories. Choose Add Root Category for a top-level section or add subcategory to target specific products. Add a name, description, and image to make it clear and appealing to shoppers. Under Display Settings, set is Anchor to Yes to cross-sell related products. Include SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to attract more traffic from search engines. Select products for the category to make browsing seamless for your customers. Click Save Category and preview it on your storefront. You're ready to boost sales. Smart categories make shopping easy and profitable. Start now and watch your store grow.